While BMWs are known for luxury and performance, not all of their cars live up to the hype. Some models are notorious for frequent breakdowns, high repair costs, and reliability issues that can quickly drain your wallet. So, if you're in the market for a BMW, keep watching to find out which models you should steer clear of. Number 1. BMW X5, 2011 to 2014, 2019 models. First up is the BMW X5, particularly the models from 2011 to 2014 and the 2019 version. The X5 might look great, but it comes with a laundry list of problems. Car Complaints highlights 2011 as the worst year, mainly because of a serious issue: the engine stalling while driving, typically around 68,000 miles. Fixing this could set you back about $4,400, which is no small change. Furthermore, with Clutch gives the X5 a low reliability rating of 39 out of 100. On average, you might spend around $1,166 each year just to keep your X5 running. Common problems include leaks from the interior, transmission issues, and oil leaks. Owning an X5 can feel like you're constantly putting out fires, both literally and figuratively. Number 2. BMW E60 M5, 2004 to 2010 models. Next, we have the BMW E60 M5, a car that's both thrilling and costly. Known for its V10 engine with 500 horsepower, this sedan can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But all that power comes at a steep price. The E60 M5 is infamous for its high maintenance costs. Owners often face a slew of issues, including valve cover gasket leaks, transmission problems, rod bearing failures, and idle and throttle actuator issues. According to RepairPal, you might shell out about $1,173 annually to keep the M5 on the road. While some car enthusiasts love their M5s despite these issues, it's a relationship that demands both time and money. Unless you're prepared for the commitment, it might be best to admire this car from a distance. Number 3. BMW E71 X6, 2008 to 2010 models. The BMW E71 X6, particularly the 2008 to 2010 models, is another SUV that can cost you more than expected. Known for having problems with the fuel pump, cooling system, oil leaks, and solenoid issues, the X6 is a headache waiting to happen. With Clutch, rates its reliability at just 24.8 out of 100, far below the industry average. On top of that, RepairPal gives the X6 a poor rating, with maintenance costs averaging around $1,206 per year. Owners often find themselves dealing with at least one major repair each year that costs over $1,000. For a compact SUV, the X6 might leave you feeling anything but compact when it comes to your repair bills. Number 4. BMW 3 Series, 2007 to 2013 models. The BMW 3 Series, available in coupe, sedan, and convertible options, is another model plagued by reliability issues. The 2007 to 2013 models, in particular, are known for their fair share of problems, including oil leaks, excessive vibrations, failing power windows, and overheating engines. Some models even faced recalls due to faulty airbags. Despite its performance and stylish design, the BMW 3 Series can be a financial burden. RepairPal notes that the 2011 model, for instance, has an average annual maintenance cost of around $1,030. If you're looking for a car that doesn't constantly need repairs, you might want to avoid this series. Number 5. BMW X3, 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. Lastly, we have the BMW X3, especially the 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. The X3 shares several parts with the X5, which means it also shares many of the same issues, such as oil leaks, sunroof water leaks, and timing chain guide failures. With Clutch gives the X3 a reliability score of just 50.3 out of 100, and the car frequently requires major repairs that cost over $1,000. Typically, owners can expect these expensive repairs to occur 2.52 times over 3 years, which is almost double the industry average of 1.3 times. If you're thinking of buying an X3, be prepared for some hefty bills. In the end, owning a BMW doesn't always mean a smooth ride. The models we've discussed might look appealing, but they come with their fair share of headaches and high costs. So, if reliability and low maintenance are top priorities for you, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more car advice. Thanks for watching.